Welcome back to another exciting installment of our SQL tutorial series. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of SQL data types. These are the building blocks of your database tables, governing the type of data each column can hold. Watch the video till the end. So, let's unravel the mystery of SQL data types together. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand what SQL data types are all about. These are like data containers that determine the kind of information a column can store. From numbers to text, dates to binary data, SQL data types cover it all. Here is an example. Imagine a customer's table. The customer name column might hold text data, the age column could store numerical values, and the birth date column might store dates. Let's dive into the major categories of SQL data types. Numeric data types are essential for dealing with numbers of different kinds, whether they are whole numbers or decimals. Int for integers, float for floating point numbers, and decimal for fixed point numbers. These are some common numeric data types. They are crucial for tasks like calculations and comparisons. Character data types are used to store text or character-based information. They are perfect for names, descriptions, and other textual data. Varchar for variable length text, char for fixed length text, and text for large text data are some examples. Remember, choosing the right data type saves space and optimizes storage. Date and time data types are your go-to options for dealing with temporal information, like birthdays or transaction timestamps. Date for dates, time for times, and timestamp for both date and time combined. These data types ensure accurate storage and manipulation of temporal data. Binary data types are designed for storing binary or non-text data, such as images, audio files, or encrypted data. Apart from the major categories, there are miscellaneous data types that serve unique purposes. Boolean for true-false values, enum for a predefined list of values, and JSO for storing structured data in JSO format. These data types offer flexibility and convenience for various scenarios. As a SQL enthusiast, it's crucial to choose the right data type for your columns. This ensures data accuracy, storage efficiency, and optimal performance. Remember to use the smallest data type that accommodates your data, consider future growth, and be aware of compatibility across different database systems. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to SQL data types. These data containers lay the foundation for your database structure, allowing you to store, manipulate, and retrieve data effectively. Thanks for joining us in this enlightening journey through SQL data types. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more SQL insights. Until next time, happy coding!